If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for access to our full chord library and lots of fun tutorials. We're going to start today on an F sharp. That's our root, that's our star home key today. F sharp, or as you see, it has two names on it. There's a G flat there. That's an enharmonic name, two names for the same note. So today, whether I'm talking about F sharp major or G flat major, it's all the same enharmonic notes there. We're going to start out on an F sharp major. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. Give that to me all together. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. That's our F sharp major or G flat major chord. We could spell that G flat, B flat, D flat. To add a second to that chord, we're going to add the second note up, a whole step away from the root. That's our G sharp or A flat. All four black keys there. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp. It's our F sharp 2 or G flat 2. When we're talking about an F sharp or G flat 4, suspended, we want to take that third note and suspend it up a half step. So we'll have F sharp or G flat, then we're going to have B, next to that C sharp, D flat. Leaves us one more, that's our F sharp 4 or G sharp 4, suspended. To get to the F sharp 5, we need F sharp and C sharp. Nothing in between. That's our power chord. We could also look at that as a G flat and D flat. 5, power chord. Get back to our main triad, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and add a sixth, right? Now we need the sixth note up from F sharp in the scale, or G flat, and that's going to be our D sharp or E flat. So we need 4 fingers. Give it an F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, or G flat, B flat, D flat, E flat. That's our 6, F sharp 6, G flat 6. Lovely color. And lastly, our 7th. We'll add the 7th note up from F sharp, but still be a whole step away. So it's going to be the E, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E. Jazzy, or it could be G flat, B flat, D flat, F flat. See you in the next video. Play on.